Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the cutest crochet braids hairstyle for adorable black girls. So this hairstyle, it didn't take much time, so I hope you enjoy the videos. Much love. So my loves, this is the hair piece that we're gonna use at the back to achieve the curls. It's a soft red in color 2, which is dark brown. It looks natural. And then this is the styling gel that we're gonna use. It has the tea tree oil. It helps to moisturize the hair and also to get rid of the itching scalp. This is our crochet that we're gonna use, which is our first tool, and then our last tool here is just a normal comb with a tail, or you can use any comb of your choice. And then this is our hair. I'm just gonna comb it and try to open the line above the ear to the other one. So here my daughter was just 3 years old. Now in 2025 she is 7 years old. So yeah, this video, it used to be on my previous channel, but then for some reason I don't know what went wrong with my channel, so I decided to open the new one. Anyways, so going back to the video, we're gonna take our styling gel. I love the texture. I'm just gonna apply on our line, or on the line there, to just perfect the line. Trust me, this hairstyle doesn't take much time. If you plait really quick, it can literally take like 30 minutes. This video is especially for moms with toddlers, because kids are impatient to, to sit longer on a chair while you braid their hair. They really don't like it. So this is very quick and it lasts longer. I'm gonna try to just take this hair out of the way. I'm gonna plait few lines of the cornrows. They don't need to be perfect, they must just look cute and decent. I'm starting by applying the styling gel because it moisturizes and also it makes the hair soft, so when I start braiding her, then she doesn't feel pain. I recommend this styling gel for kids because it's really moisturizing and it doesn't get hard, like other styling gels. Yeah, so I hope you are enjoying the video so far. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, Thank you so much for supporting this my small channel. It's a new channel. As I mentioned the previous channel, something went wrong with that, and then I had to download this video of my daughter and just edit on this new channel. So we're gonna do the same process.
My lonely days have died. Your voice is where my heart confides. The wind once whispered my goodbye, but now it hums your lullaby. At peace with every breath I take. No more chains my heart can't break. I was lost, I was torn apart. Now you live.
She's not even focusing. All she wants is to go outside and play.
The night feels soft and true. The stars draw closer when I'm with you. I used to chase what wouldn't stay.
The lines don't actually need to be small. They can just be, as long as they look cute and stylish, it's what matters. Like I say, if you have a toddler, then you know she wouldn't want to sit long. She wouldn't want to sit for long just doing her hair.
But strong again, it knows that this is where it's been. At peace with your arms around, the world stops turning. There's no sound. Every dream I ever knew is waking here inside of you. At peace, I don't need to roam. Your voice has built my only home. You took the pain, you turned it kind. You gave me strength.
I had to give her something to just keep her busy.
At peace, oh love, I'm home at last. The hurt is gone, the dark has passed. Hold me close and never fade. This love's the vow the heavens made. At peace, the stars all bend for two. The night turns gold when I touch you. I've searched my whole life just to find that love was waiting all this time. At peace, oh darling, at peace with you. Stay with me slow, don't rush the night. Let our hearts breathe in the fading light. The world can wait, it always can. Just hold me close. We walk through storms and still survive. Your hands are home, your voice is peace. In your arms my worries cease. I've seen love fall, I've watched it fade. Promises lost in the choices we made. But your eyes, they tell me truth, not lies. They're the stars my faith relies. Stay with me some more. Believe it's real. Oh, no one else could make me feel the calm that comes when hearts agree. The time can't steal what's meant to be. Stay with me slow. Stay with me. Stay with me slow. Stay with me slow.
So now that we are done, we're gonna just plait big lines at the back, whereby we're gonna use the crochet. So I did just 3 lines. Please trust the process. The lines doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just gonna cut this hair piece into half. I don't know where I placed the scissors, so I had to just take the one for the kitchen. I had no choice because I was already filming the video. So yeah, just don't be surprised. And then it's time for us to use our crochet. I'm just gonna separate this.
And you preach my pain. You call it love, I call it true. The mercy pact is bears with you. Ain't no mercy in love, baby. It don't beg, it don't cry. It'll hold you like an angel.
I'm just trying to separate this so it can look natural.
Ain't no mercy in love, no. Only true dressed up in disguise. Your gospel lips still haunt my wine. Your voice keeps walking through my spine. If sin feels this sweet, I'll take the fall. I'd rather burn than feel nothing at all. I learned too late, but now I see love don't know no soul.
Please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and be part of our small family.
you have lived. Ain't no mercy in love, just the sound of what once was. So if you find me in the dark, undone, don't say I lost, I just learned love won.
So this is our final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Much love. Bye.